Now, as we have heard for the past couple of days, if not weeks, Wall Street shifts from optimism to fear. How can you see that?
Yeah, if we can see also the Donald Trump tariff is really matter for all markets. And we believe that the rebound should appear for our market, especially when the Mercury retrograde will happen on the 15th of March. That will create a sideways or even a wider range of U.S. markets. We have to pay attention to the VIX index and the S&P 500 because the market characteristic is changed, and I believe for the next 3 weeks to at least 8 weeks, in the next 8 weeks, we're looking at tougher market characteristics.
How do you see the U.S. stocks indices for like U.S. 100?
The short term will be in the bearish market, but at least that will remain until the next 45 days. And from that point, I believe that will be another rally until July 2025. Then the sunspot cycle on the 25th of July, I believe, that will be a next turning point for U.S. market. So that's the upside target. If you can see, we're looking at the potential bottom within this March, and then from April 2025 will be rally until July. Will create the next resistance.
And also, can you fill us in with the outlook of JCI for daily?
Since the 11th of March, we'll be confirming a bottom. And when the price is going higher now, we're looking at minimums. The 14th of March, that's a minimum target for the new resistance, or the 19th of March. It means that the price could continue rally until the March 19, 2025. So we're pretty good until 19th of March, if I can say that. With the minimum resistance will be unfolding on the 14th of March.
BBRI, how can you tell us about this?
This is our top picks this 2025. The minimum target price for the very short-term period is 4,400, but we're looking at 6,400 as the final target price for 2025, or at least to the February 2026. So we have very high confidence that the BRI will hit that 6,400 for the midterm investor, but for the short-term traders, you're looking at 4,400 to 5,500 for the intermediate price target. This will be one of the best choice for investment in Indonesian stocks.
Can you fill us in also about the gold in US dollars?
U.S. tariff, the trade war created by Trump, will lead gold to fly higher and higher, and we're looking at 3,000 at minimums and then 3,105 as the intermediate target. So buy on weakness, especially we're at a Venus retrograde and Mercury retrograde effect. We're looking at this very strong bullish moment for the next 3 weeks. At least the gold will be back to 29.55 and then continue to 3,032 or 3,100.
All right, Gemathebillioner, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much.